Hi, I'm Brittany of WTI, and if you guys got cracks to clean, check these out.
These are the Viscogrip Crack Weeder tool set. And let me tell you, they get the job done. It was so easy to put together. You have a two-sided hook blade that you can just attach with the bolts. And it is so effective. The hook really gets down in there, and you can even flip it and use the corner blunt part of the blade to get any grass or weeds that you miss. Then you have the wire brush smaller hook set, which this is perfect for. This is great for tighter grooves and also great for jagged cracks also. The wire brush is great to turn around and to get whatever bit of moss or grass that you miss. They're perfect for traveling in our car when we're going to our jobs. So they have two different lengths. The hook is about 69 inches and the brush is 50. This is great because normally you'd have to bend down and try and get it, but you can do this standing and moving along as you are getting it out. And just look at the difference that it makes in curbs, in parking lot grooves, in front of your shed, and on the side of your house. These are so heavy duty, and I'm grateful they are going to do the hard work and save my hands and my back to boot.
Definitely check them out, but that's just my point of view.